Children, today we are going to discuss about sociology fourth chapter, types of society. Society means what? A group of people living together. We can as a family. But society means a group of families, neighbors, friends, relations, all will gather and will staying on together. We can call it as society. Society is the most important subject for sociology. So in sociology, which is the main subject means sociology, we can call as a society only. Society is a science devoted to study the of human society scientifically. So society inside what is there means human relationships are there. Human relationships is there nothing but a web of relationship. One of the socialist Mac Weir, he said that web of social relationship means father, mother, brother, sister, teacher, student, patient, doctor. Like that one relationship is there, then we can call as a society. Society will find different types of jobs, different types of lifestyles. So teacher, doctor, lawyer, engineer, like different occupations will say. Even like that only, different styles. So one will follow in a unique style, one more will follow into another style. So my style is different, and other style is different. The way of living is different. The way of foods are different. How we are staying in the society is different. How they will behave in the society is different. Everything is interrelated, but geographically one can be enters in the rural area. Suppose if you go for villages, there when compared to cities, to development is it will take time. For example, if you are wearing in the city any dress or food, anything, they'll say no objection. But if you go for villages, if they are wearing any little bit dress, ugly is there, the parents will object, elders will object, this type of dress not to be wear. So when compared to in rural areas, in cities permission is there, but villages it will take little bit time to adjust for that one. So in the fields also available like in Mumbai, Bangalore, if you go there, number of vehicles you can see, number of peoples, number of government hospitals, still slum areas, industries, everything will get. But if you go for village, what you will find there more means cattle you will find like ox, bullocks, cows, buffaloes, sheep, rearing, all will find in the villages. But you will find in the cities, it will be rare. But in cities if you come means only pollution, population, factories, number of peoples going for offices will be crowdedly more. Like that only in society, nature is there means communities are there, different types of communities are there in our society. Hindus are there, Muslims, Christians, all is there. Like that only, families is there, friends are there, neighbors are there. Everyone will be living in a one together, we can call as a society. Society is a web of relationship, just not at all. Parent to child, teacher to student, doctor to lawyer, like that. One relationship will be doctorism, patient is there. Student is there means teacher is there. Father is, mother is there, parent is there means child will be. Like that one, web relationship is there. Similarity and resemblance. See in society, different types of resemblance we can find. Suppose your grandfather maybe looks like you only. All will say no, he looks like his grandfather. Maybe height, weight, physics, whatever maybe. In different maybe, but he looks like grandfather. That is saying we can call as a genes. See, even a division of labor and cooperation is there. In our society, different types of cooperation we are doing. For example, today you have forgotten lunch box. You came for school. Then what your friends will say? They'll share the food. That is also one type of cooperation. Division of labor is depends upon the what type of work you are doing, your age, your sex means male or female, that is important. What is your age to work? That all has to consider, then only we can say division of labor. So suppose construction work is going on, father is working there, morning to evening, he will get 300 rupees. Son also joined, but he got only 100 or 200. Ask means his age factor is very important. Father will do more work, but son will do less work. So age factor is very important. Social control means formal like law and rules and regulations. So in our society, some of the rules are there to control to us. So today night curfew is there. If anyone say means 8 o'clock only, all has to close the den. We have to move rush towards our home. That is a rule. But who will implement? Law and order. Police department will implement. Where is it is there? In the society is there. Police are giving society what they are giving for us. Security is providing for us. So universal society is universal. Sir, only in India is there a society? No. In India, China, Japan, wherever if you go also, will find different types of societies in our country, in the world. What the society will do for us? It is necessary. Yes, it is very necessary. Because see, when a child has born right from childhood to until you grown up, like father has to give from baby, feeding the milk there too, paying the fees, till then parents has to bear expenses, what are the hurdles comes, everything will nourishment grown up for the child, that all there in the society, is there or not? So it is takes a similarity, society will take the needs of human beings also. So which thing is need for us, that will society will provide us. So education is required to us. So society is giving education in the form of schools, they are open, permission is going to run the schools, to learn this one. No? Today class is important for you. That's why what the government has given, online class has given for you. Needs is there, online class need is there. Offline class is not having, online class they have given for you. That is a need. Society plays a major role in personality formation. It like shows one of the talents. So if you are the talented person, you will be in the highest position. If you are not talented, what is the use? Just I go the example, I told you, if I call for one doctor, if I given for him to teach for him, what he will do? What about the science is there, he will teach perfectly. Yes or no? Operations, injections and tablets, tonics, anything right and give. That's all that work will be. But teacher work more will be compared to him. That fellow, if suppose if I went near the doctor to give treatment for you, then what does say, sir, you are a teacher, you are not a doctor, will say. So depends upon the circumstance. So different types of people are living, different type of occupations there in our society. Reinforcement in life means not only inside, even outside also they have to change. So a society is not a simple one, it is for me unique. How I will be, another person will be different. What I am doing, my friend won't be do that one. So we are different. We are thinking that unique is the same is there. But age group, friends, and eating, sharing, everything is there. But how will mentalities maybe different. Types of society. So how our society has started here? Hunting and gathering society. When the human being has started their life, that time only human beings knows only hunting. Hunting is their main occupation. Why they had to hunt? So human beings born now, that time he got hungry. Then he searched everywhere, which one is best. Then he found one animal, he killed and eaten that meat. So like that, one by day, day by day, what happened? Human beings are killing human animals and eating daily. Then he understood, all animals are become scarcity, less happened. Then how to survive? Then the second stage, what is the name of the stage? Pastoral society. Pastoral society means that grazing the grass to the like sheep, buffaloes, cows. Why they will graze that one? Why you have to cattle are roaring, cattle are rearing? The reason is cattle will give for us milk, ghee, butter, sweets. Everything we can prepare with the milk only. So then they understood what is the importance of. They doesn't know wheat, barley, rice, dal, nothing don't know. Only meat, only milk. Two only thing. Again they told, so cattle is okay, but still he started to think hunting afterwards, fishing also. Fishing means your fish is eating now, Sunday comes, you know very well. So fish are catching and he want to eat that one directly raw. Then he implemented. So which is a tool he used to kill the animals? Stone. Stone ages, no? He made sharp weapon with the stone to he'll make sharp like this and he will kill for this weapon to, then he'll eat directly raw, without using any fire cooking. Nomadic and semi-nomadic society. Anthropologists has opined that a pastoral society or nomadic life, Britannic's nomadic life is a type of life, movements of people from one place to another, search of food. So nomadic means one person will search from one place to another place. So here food is empty for me. He will go for another place where his food is available. That place also completed food. Then he will move from one place to another place. Again he will go. So how long he will go for? Everything becoming empty. Then he understood. So that life is nomadic life. Then cattle herding. Semi-nomadic means available phase of education. Then he learned something. So fire is there. Fire implement means we can cook that one and we'll get the taste. Then implemented. Agriculture. Then he learned some things. So he brought one seed and sown in the seed and put it in the ground. He got the crop. Then he took the fruit. Then he understood, yes, fruits also will survive to us. So required means we have to do the agriculture. Then he made. Then he got the crop, harvesting, everything he made. Then he got the food. Then he learned how to cultivate this one. India is a land of villages. So India is a land of villages. 75% of rural people are staying in India itself. Rural peoples only, not city. So their reference that village, Rigveda is the head of the village is called Gramastha. So in Rigveda is there, who is the head of the village? Gramastha. One Grama means one village, head person who can call as a Gramastha. The purpose in Mahabharata also is there. Gramini will can call Deshamukhi, Shatumukhi, Adipati. These are the names of village officers. Next, human civilizations involved in creation of villages. A village is a group of families imagine a similar life with a tough and less population density. So main is primary relationship. They doesn't know theft itself. Where is robbing? This all don't know that one. How to cheat they don't know. Village means the group of people living. If any comes like difficulties, they'll share with us and they'll discuss. If you have the difficulties, I will help come. I will do everything work will be. The sharing work is there. Then we can call as a villages. A group of families residing a place is called village. Within the invention of plug in 3000 BC. So when the plug has been implemented, Nehru will say, when they are introduced to dig the plug means what? It is an instrument to dig the earth. They are using that one. In 3000 BC they implemented. 75% are engaged in women's itself that time. 59% men are there. See, think about how the ratio of the men. Now, it has been reversed. 79 men are there, 59 will be girls is there now. But at that time, 59 men are there. 75% of women involved in agriculture act only. See, in women are going more doing the field works only. Next, futures of rural society means, see, villages are very small in size. So, 100 members, 200 means more. But if you come for cities, 200, 300 means one area only is higher, no? Very small as well. Influence of primary and primary relationship. They have good relationship. Father same means mother won't live. Mother means children won't live. That much of relationship is there. But in our society, if you come for cities, father, mother, they won't have that much of long relationship. Morning, father will go for job. Evening, he will come. Then he will say, Abba, I am tired. He won't spend more time with you. But in villages, how much they are also, they have good relationship. They'll say, who are the another person, they belong to another caste, another region. They'll say, they'll keep the names, uncle, auntie, they'll call and they'll mingle. If the problem comes, they will be with you. But in city, neighbors, anyone comes, no one will be considering. But in our society, how is there means, village is the best thing I can say. Next, simple economical life. There is a limited resource. They lead a simple life. They doesn't have luxury life. In city means, sir, we want TV, we want a washing machine, we want this one, that one, that one. We're purchasing and keeping. Ask means status. But in villages, they are living simple living. They hide thinking. But simple living, but they are happily living. Today work part, today left part, today we got this much, enough. So agriculture is a main occupation for them. Their demands are very less. Neighborhood. So all together they'll celebrate. So neighbors means you know what beside our homes will be. What they'll do in the villages usually, fair and festivals as came means they'll gather together. Fair is there means on that time no one will remember. They'll prepare different of sweets, there are different types of something, pujas, all rituals they'll do. They'll follow exactly what they are told in the tradition. So in Karnataka neighborhood there is a identifies Keri or Oni. Festivals are there. In Maharashtra, Vad, it is a festival from birth. Rituals is making birth and death also is there. So in India, birth also one ritual is saying, death also they will do. 11th day means death day. Birth day also they will keeping name, no. That also one thing is there. For that also money they are spending. So remaining what happened, what is the structure of agriculture society, we'll see in the next video. Thank you.